Hello, this is Dr. Anthony Festmeyer, and in this video we're going to work on learning 16 different strumming patterns on the guitar that are in 4/4 time and use quarter notes and pairs of eighth notes. We'll go ahead and do this in a 3-step process. Number 1, we'll take a look at those rhythms and we'll learn to count them. Number 2, we'll work on clapping the rhythms, and then finally we'll work on putting them on the guitar as strumming patterns. Let's get started. The first step in learning these 16 strumming patterns is to learn how to count these rhythms. Now there are 2 basic rules that I use for counting rhythms. Number 1, we always count the beat. Number 2, there's a syllable for every type of rhythmic value. So that syllable might be the beat count, in this case 1, 2, 3, or 4, but it might also include ands and other notations. The first thing to notice is that we are in 4/4 time. The top number tells us that there are 4 beats in each measure, and the bottom number tells us that the quarter note corresponds to the beat. We're going to be counting the beats, and since there are 4, we're going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Taking a look at this first measure, we have 4 quarter notes. Since the quarter note matches the beat, here we would count 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second example, we begin to use our eighth note pairs, and these will be used for all of the rest of the examples. A pair of eighth notes takes up the same space as one beat or the same space as a quarter note, and in addition to the beat, which we will count here at the beginning as a 1, we will also use the syllable and. Now that we've written in the count for beat 1 with the eighth note pair, we will count the remaining quarter notes as 2, 3, 4. For the next example, we start with 1 for the quarter note, 2 and for the eighth note pair, 3, 4 for the other quarter notes. Example 4 is 1, 2 for the first 2 quarter notes, 3 and followed by 4 for the final quarter note. Example 5 begins with 3 quarter notes, so we have 1, 2, 3, followed by an eighth note pair, 4 and. The next several examples include 2 pairs of eighth notes and 2 quarter notes. In this example, we have 1 and, 2 and, 3, 4. In example 7, we have 1 for the first quarter note, followed by 2 and, 3 and, 4. For example 8, we have 1, 2, followed by 2 eighth note pairs, 3 and, 4 and. Example 9, we have 1 and for the eighth note pair, 2, 3 and, followed by 4. Example 10, 1 and, 2, 3, 4 and example 11, 1, 2, and 3, 4 and. For the next 4 examples, we have 3 eighth note pairs and a quarter note in various combinations. For example 12, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Example 13, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Example 14, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and example 15 is 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and finally example 16 has all eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright, so let's just go ahead and count through each of these different strumming patterns, starting with number 1. Number 1 is just a series of quarter notes and is performed as 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2 starts with a pair of eighth notes followed by 3 quarter notes. It is clapped and counted as 1 and 2, 3, 4. Number 3 starts with the quarter note, has a pair of eighth notes, and then finishes with 2 quarter notes. It is clapped as 1, 2, and 3, 4. Number 4 is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Number 6, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Number 7, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Number 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Number 9, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Number 10, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and. Number 11, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Number 12, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Number 13, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Number 14, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Number 15, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. And finally, number 16, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's go ahead and do all 16 rhythms in a row. I'll start with the count off. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, let's go ahead and apply these strumming patterns to the guitar. There are a couple of simple things that you need to understand, then these should be pretty straightforward and easy. Number 1, any note that is on a beat, so counts 1, 2, 3, or 4, will be played with a down strum. Those are the strums toward the floor. Any note that is on an and will be played with an up strum. Those are the strums toward the ceiling. And so if you take those two basic ideas, you can easily play through any of these patterns. We use this symbol to show a down strum, and this symbol to show an up strum. So let's go ahead and go through each of the patterns and check this out. So pattern number 1 has only quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, no and, so everything is strummed as a down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, by the way, instead of playing a chord right now as I'm practicing through these, I'm pressing my fingers lightly to the strings, not pushing down to actually fret and get a sound or to get notes, but instead I'm putting them down just lightly enough to stop the strings from ringing, what we call muting. And so I'm getting this muted sort of percussive sound. Okay, so example 2 has our first pair of eighth notes and therefore our first and. The pair of eighth notes is on beat 1, and so we have 1 as a down strum and as an up strum, and then 2, 3, 4 as all down strums. So down, up, down, 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 1 and 2, 3, 4. Example number 3, quarter note, 2 eighth notes followed by 2 quarter notes, down for the quarter note, down, up for the pair of eighth notes, down, down for the quarter notes. You can make sure that those quarter notes are really matching the beat. In fact, all of our downs are matching the beat. So when you have an up in there for an eighth note, we just naturally bring the hand up for that. So number 3 is 1, 2, and 3, 4 are down, down, up, down, down. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Eighth note pairs 3 and, so that's the down up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, 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 up, down. Number 5, 3 quarter notes, a pair of eighth notes. 1, 2, 3 all downs, then 4 and down up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and, or down, 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 up. Number 6, 2 pairs of eighth notes, 2 quarter notes. So we have 1 and 2 and, which is down, up, up. Then 3, 4 are beats, down, down. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Down, up, down, down. Example 7, quarter note, 2 pairs of eighth notes, quarter note, down, down, up, down, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, or down, down, up, down. Number 8, 2 quarter notes, 2 pairs of eighth notes, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and, or down, down, up. Number 9, pair of eighth notes, quarter note, down, up, down, same thing, down, up, down. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, or down, up, down, up, down. Number 10, pair of eighth notes, quarter, quarter, pair of eighth notes, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and, or down, up, down, up. Number 11, quarter, pair of eighth notes, quarter, pair of eighth notes, 1, 2, and 3, 4 and, or down, up, up. Number 12, 3 pairs of eighth notes, quarter note, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, down, up, down. Number 13, a quarter note and 3 pairs of eighth notes, 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and, or down, up. Number 14, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and, or down, up, up. Number 15, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and, or down, up, down, up. And number 16, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or down, up, up. Okay, let's go ahead and try all 16 examples from 1 through 16. Here's the count off. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 down. Down, up, down, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. Down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now you can take any of these 16 strumming patterns and you can apply it to the use of chords or a chord progression. It's common within songs to use one strumming pattern maybe for the entire song or for a section of a song with maybe some slight variation. So you might experiment with taking some of these patterns and trying them out for a song or with a chord progression and seeing what you like and what you come up with.